Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am shopping today at Target. If you are new, I invite you to subscribe. We have a lot of fun here on my channel and over on Facebook and Instagram. So here at Target today, I'm checking out the Halloween stuff in the dollar spot, and they had some really cute stuff. Most of the items were $5. But I think for under 25 bucks, you can have a cute little table decoration, table centerpiece. And if you're having a Halloween party, I think they have tons of cute items that you can use in decorating your house for a Halloween party. They also still have some fall items here in the dollar spot. I liked those gold colored acorns, and I actually have some real acorns, and I might spray paint them gold. I like that idea. These I thought were adorable. They're $1 each, and I thought they would just look so cute on a tiered tray or in a kid's room, maybe on their nightstand. Just cute little Halloween decor. And this cute little haunted house was $5, and I thought that was really cute. You could jazz it up a little bit more with some glitter and stuff like that, but I thought that was really cute. So yeah, we don't normally have a Halloween party, so I usually am just looking for a few things to use as decor around the house. I always try to look for a couple new pillows and blankets and just a few things for the table. Now these lanterns intrigued me. They were $5 and they light up, but I thought they were pretty good for $5. Let me know what you all think. And that boo sign is adorable. Love that. These little planter boots were $5, which I thought is a great deal. Is they're ceramic. So some more fun little things that you can use for decor. Now these, I love the names that they had on these little jars, and I feel like this could be a hack you could do yourself if you need to make a whole bunch of them, because you could buy the little glass jars at Dollar Tree and buy some glitter at Dollar Tree as well, possibly. I don't know if you can find the colors you're looking for, but if you're just wanting a couple of them, I would just buy them because they were only $1. I just loved the names on them. I thought they were so cute. Some other cute little Halloween items. I like that little tray. I thought that was really cute as well. Just checking out what they have here. Let me know if you've seen these items at your Dollar Tree. And make sure you check out my other haul videos as well as my Cricut and my journal videos. These little $1 tiered tray signs, they had some Halloween ones this time. I picked up a few fall ones in my last haul video, but I'm going to have to pick up some of those Halloween ones. And again, if you're having a party or if you need just a little decoration for your table centerpiece, I thought they had some cute pieces here. And then just some more party decorations. This I thought was really cute. It's a DIY little wreath you could make for your front door. I thought that was really cute. And these ducks, I love these ducks. I should have got some for my granddaughter, but I didn't. I don't know about this thing. Some of y'all might like that. These pumpkins I really like with the stripes, the white and black. I thought those were really neat, in addition to the orange one. And then I'm looking at some more pillows. So this is not in the dollar spot anymore. This is over kind of near the pillows and bed sheets and towels. But these were $10, and I still thought that was a really good price because there's tassels on all four corners of that bat one. And this pillow here, it's so squishy and soft. I probably am going to have to bring this one home. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see what all I end up purchasing and taking home with me. But all these pillows for $10 I thought were really nice. I like that "witch please." I think that's hilarious. Witch please. And then Hey Boo, like Hey Boo. So I thought those were really cute pillows. These were over in the kids' bedding section, $10. Very cute pillows, or blankets, very, very soft. I was tempted, but I didn't get those. And the skeleton pillow I thought was really cute as well. But they were so soft. I love soft blankets, for sure. $10 too. All right, the candles. Now I tell you what, Target is upping their game on candles. These were plant-based, which I like seeing. A soy blend. And I love the decals on the outside of these jars. I thought they were so pretty. And they were only $10, which that may seem a little pricey, but for plant-based or soy-based candles, that's a good price. It really is. I mean, I love the lid on this one with that engraving on there. So, so pretty. But those were $15, the ones on that top shelf. But here's all the different scents that they had, and they all are, I think I liked all of them. I thought they all smelled really nicely. So I'm probably gonna have to take a few of those home, maybe. You'll have to wait and see. These were also um, intriguing, I guess. They piqued my interest. They were in these tins, and I thought the decorations on the outside were pretty. And again, these were soy candles. So I thought those were really nice. And I like those kind of wicks, like a little wooden stick, a wick made out of a wooden stick. I like those kind of candles. But those were more expensive. Those were all $15, but very pretty. If you're looking for some candles, they've upped their game because I think the soy-based burn cleaner than a regular candle, wax candle. This pillow was only $10, and I kind of liked it. I liked the look of the pumpkins on there. These were also very pretty. Really like that muted colors on there, and these were $15. And they had different sizes, and the designs were a little bit different on each pillow. But I really thought those were pretty nice quality for $15, if you ask me. And they had quite a few pillows here. I'll kind of show you all the ones that they have here. You're seeing less and less pillows that have phrases on them. So I think we're slowly moving away from having words on every decor piece around your house. I think that trend is finally leaving us for sure. I really thought this is a 3-pack of those leaves, and I like that for like a DIY. I could probably duplicate that for cheaper. Just a couple other pieces that caught my eye. And this candle, this is one of those, what is it, Threshold, I think is the brand. And I just love that copper tin. So drum roll, please. This is what I decided to take home. So these pillows here, I just loved them. I thought they were so cute. And then I got a couple dish towels. These were only $5 for 2 of them. And I didn't think that was too bad, considering how everything is increasing in price. And then I ended up, I know, silly me, I ended up with 3 of these candles because I love them. I think they smelled so good. And then I got that. And actually, those little candles were only $5 each, not $10 each. And I got a lantern. I got this little house. And like I said, I got a couple more of these little bitty $1 signs, Halloween and pumpkin ones. And then I got this. It lights up. And I thought it was so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed my haul. See y'all on the next video. Bye for now.